Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name's Ann Epiphany. I'm a tattoo artist that has been self-converting a 32-foot GMC Bluebird into a mobile tattoo and art studio in the front and a tiny home in the rear. I have two huskies, Rogue and Star, and a tiny little cat named Audrey. And originally in this week's video, I was going to be finishing the shower. So, what had happened was, I just got the last bit of stuff that I needed for the shower in today. So that was cutting it, obviously, way too close for this week's video. I was okay with that, only because I was like, well, you know, the next 3 days are supposed to be good weather because you need a certain temperature to be able to have grout and mortar, like, cure correctly. Unfortunately, there is, of course, a really big storm coming through, and you're not supposed to set this whenever there's a lot of rain and humidity. So I went from having 3 days that I thought in a row I could work on and finish this shower into maybe one day on Friday, but it just depends on if it rains again. That being said, I am asking if any of you have any ideas for what you would like to see in next week's video, just in case I can't get to the shower. Please let me know in the comments. Any ideas that you have at all, or if you have any questions, if I get enough questions, I could do a Q&A type video, or if there's some particular thing that you'd like to see or know about. Please let me know in the comments so I know what I can make a video of, just in case I cannot work on the shower. Thanks so much to my patrons. I appreciate you guys so much. If you'd like to become a patron or support me on any other social media, the links are in the link tree down below in the description. Feel free to check those out. But yeah, enjoy some playtime with the fur babies. I'll catch you Sunday.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You and me. Meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back, see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
I'm supposed to be working, but she's really freaking cute, so what are you gonna do? You're gonna play with her, that's what you're gonna do.
Meant to be.